Hello again, ChoroQ collectors. Today we have an old Toyota Crown. So here we go. It's like an early 90s Crown. Looks like a car like old rich Japanese dudes would probably drive. Like me. Alright, I don't know. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, it's called a Crown Royal. Not a Royale with cheese, but a Crown Royale. So I looked up this and it says 03, so that's what those images are, 2003 Crown Royals. Alright, standard construction, you have a screw in the front and a tab in the back. This is just one smoked clear body and it's painted. So it's nice that they have the gold on the bottom half of the car and then white on the top. A little bit of overspray or something on them, or not enough getting up to here, but alright, nice panel details here. You know, the door handles are nice, the window molding is a little bit recessed and bulging at the same time. The headlights are just plain though, but at least they're painted. The grille's got a nice texture. There's the Crown logo, I guess. Blank space there, ribbing here, no silver paint there sadly. Standard wheels, ChoroQ wheels, just red for the taillights, and then we have number 70, casting 70, a Toyota badge is nice right here, it's molded in. And yeah, the darkly smoked plastic, you can see a little bit of the motor in there. So, standard ChoroQ stuff. Yeah, pretty nice when you think that it's just one piece of plastic painted. We're going to do a wheel swap because these wheels are just unacceptable for a stately vehicle like this. And I just so happen to have some 3D printed wheels laying around. That's also another reason. So I gotta take this motor out, swap that to a different car, a different day. And I have a motor where I clipped off the axles. Okay, let's put this back together by hand so I don't strip out that screw hole. Find the thread. Nice and easy. Okay. So oddly, these look stately to me, but these are actually OZ rally wheels. They're meant for rally racing, but to me they look like VIP wheels as well. You know, just big monoblock style. I think that works. I like it. We're going to have this one steer a little bit. We got some poster putty there. Okay. And then get the rear. We have to have some camber effect here. Custom lowered camber. Alright, very cool. Alright, so I got a really old Crown, and this is a police car though. It doesn't say anything on the bottom other than 04, so kind of an old car, old toy, but look at the scaling. It's got nothing to do with the other ChoroQs. It's oversized. Alright, getting back to more normal scaling. This is a Mark II Grand Twin Cam, so it says on the bottom. And I have some green light wheels on this thing. Here's a ChoroQ Zero, and this is the Crown Athlete, and it's got specific wheels to this car in real life. And the last one is Lexus LS 430, but in Japan it's known as the Celsior. It doesn't say that there, but it is a Celsior. And I printed Lexus LS 430 wheels. Alright, there we go. Few big cars from Toyota in deformed shape. So we got old man Grand Moff Tarkin here. It looks like this is the kind of car he would drive if he drove. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next ChoroQ wheel swap video.